Hi, this is Christina from Speak English with Christina. It's the holidays, it's Christmas. I'm here with my family in Pascagoula, Mississippi, and I just wanted to show you a little bit around what we're doing for Christmas. I'm going to have some of my cousins in my family who's going to explain some typically American Christmas traditions and just kind of show you what it looks like, maybe not in every American family because everybody's a little different, but what it's like in our family. So let's go. Okay, so I'm going to let my little cousin Annelise tell you about the tradition of presents and Christmas trees.
Whenever a lot of people, the day after Thanksgiving, we put our Christmas tree up and decorate it. Also, a lot of families, each kid, each year gets a special ornament that they hang up. And then when they're adults, they get all their ornaments. It's a collection. The presents range from anything. They can range from little necklaces to giant toy sets.
Like the presents. Hold up, let's look at the presents. So we have.
And if you run out of space under the tree and you have a fireplace, you put it by the fireplace.
Oh yeah. It is the presents by the fireplace.
As long as your fireplace isn't running, because then it's a fire.
Yes, of course. What about on top of the tree?
The star.
Mm-hmm. That's not a star.
Sometimes they're stars, sometimes they're angels, sometimes they're for our Christmas tree, it's a little a candy cane and a stocking. They're just kind of decorations. The star is supposed to deal with the story of Jesus, but I don't really know why they have that.
Okay. Anything else about trees and presents?
Well, sometimes a lot of people have plastic trees, a lot of people have real trees.
Oh yeah, is this one, what about this one?
It's fake.
It's a fake tree.
It's fake.
Okay, lovely, thank you. Okay, and now my cousin Maggie and her little girl are going to tell you about the tradition of stockings.
Okay, so usually in most homes, how many kids you have is how many stockings you have, and they hang them on the mantle over the fireplace if you have a fireplace. And when Santa comes, he fills your stockings with lots of things. It could be candy or even fruit or toys. What did you get in your stocking?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. That was a year ago.
Yeah, that was a long time. What do you want in your stocking?
I don't know.
Do you want an LOL doll in your stocking? Yeah.
LOL.
Any kind of doll or fun stuff. Usually it's just small little trinkets.
Yeah.
So that's it.
That's usually fun. And next is my cousin Bonnie. You might remember her from the Understand Real American English course, and she's going to tell you all about the tradition of Christmas cookies.
Alright, so here we have Christmas sugar cookies. It's a tradition for us to decorate our cookies with icing and candy sprinkles or sparkly sugars. And what we will do is we will leave these cookies out for Santa Claus with a nice cold glass of milk so that he can have some refreshment after he delivers all of our gifts.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed meeting some members of my family, learning a little bit about some typical American Christmas traditions. I know in the video the lighting and things like that, it's not great, but it's at my family's Christmas party, so I don't have all of my equipment and everything, but I really wanted to share that with you so that you can see a little bit about, how we celebrate Christmas. And I just want to wish you all the best for the holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I will see you in 2019. See ya.